Hello everyone, if you're new to my channel or you just first clicked on my video, my name is Chanel. Welcome. I would love if you guys subscribe if you have time to. It's really easy, just press that subscribe button to the bottom. It's free, why not? So first of all, I didn't do that myself, my aunt did them for me. She has no professional license or professional help. She learned everything from YouTube herself, so I just want to let you know it is possible to learn everything that you need to know on YouTube and you'll be just fine. Rubber bands. You can get rubber bands at any beauty supply store. You can get it at Sally's, you can get it at Walmart, you can get it at CVS, you can get them. I use the black rubber bands. There's also clear rubber bands. To me, the clear rubber bands pop a little bit easier than the black ones, so I just stick to the black ones. The thing that you'll need is hair extensions. Mine only cost, I think it was 2 for $5. You use 4.5 packs, but it depends on what type of look you're going for. As you guys can see, my hair is a little bit thinner, and the braids itself, the parts itself are a little bit thinner as well. So if you're going for a bigger, chunkier style, you may use less or you may use the same amount, but just always grab extra just in case. So I will definitely say around 6 packs of hair, you should be good. So the other item that you'll need is a gel and a paste, whichever one sticks back your hair extremely neat. You will definitely need that in order to get those neat defined parts. You will need like a paste. I recommend a paste because it's a little bit thicker and heavier, and it will keep your hair laid down flat. In order to, like you will see in the clip when I show you how my aunt applied it to my scalp and my hair, the roots of my hair, it was able to slick it back and it was much easier to attain it in the rubber bands. You'll definitely need something strong and heavy to lay down your hair in general. So let's recap on what you'll need. You need the rubber bands, definitely. You need the hair, most importantly, and then you'll need a paste to lay down your roots, and that's basically it, guys. So just go ahead, grab those things, and then you should be fine.